Hey kids, it's Miss Smith. Welcome to art class at home. I'm home, staying safe in my house. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying home as well. I look forward to seeing you guys as soon as we can in the classroom. But until then, we're going to do art from home. We're going to make a found object mandala. Georgia standards for visual arts are: understand and apply media techniques, processes, and concepts of three-dimensional art. Remember, three-dimensional art is art that is not flat. Create a sculpture using a variety of methods, and the method we're going to use is found objects. We will integrate information from other disciplines to enhance the understanding and production of works of art. Apply art skills and knowledge to improve understanding in other disciplines. So if you like this art project, you might really like math, or it will help you learn math while you do this art project. Essential questions: what is a mandala? And how can creating a mandala help me learn about symmetrical balance and fractions? Vocabulary. Vocabulary is so very important. It helps you express yourself. It helps you understand the world. It helps you use better words to better communicate with other people. Mandala, found object. Elements of art are shape and line, balance, symmetry, and fractions: whole, half, quarter, and eighths. What is a mandala? A circular geometric design used in some cultures as a spiritual guidance tool. I have some mandalas over here, and they're all different, but they all have something in common. A couple of things in common. They all have a central point where shapes, lines, and colors radiate from that center point. Each section is the same as the next section and the next. They're all same. So let's look at these. I think all of these mandalas have 8 sections. So I will start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see another one. Let's look at this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are all mandalas that have 8 exact sections that they're exactly the same. Okay? Now, how can creating a mandala help me learn about fractions? Well, here is a little chart with a bunch of circles divided with a line in different parts, almost like a pie. So here, this circle is just divided in half, so that would be 2 pieces, so that's 1/2. There's 2. This circle is divided with 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, so that's 1, 2, 3 sections, so that's a third. Okay, there are 3 parts of a whole, so if I just wanted to shade this section in, that would be 1/3. If I were to shade 2 sections, that'd be 2/3. And then of course we have 4 sections, that's a fourth of a whole. This one has 5 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that would be a fifth. Each section would be a fifth. If you block out 2 sections, that's 2/5. So you can go on and on. Now, how does that relate to what we're doing? Well, you can make a mandala with 4 sections, so that would be a fourth, like this one. It's a necklace. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 parts around that center. This is one mandala showing 1/5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This mandala is made out of, looks like this guy made a huge mandala out of found objects outside in nature, grass and maybe flowers and sticks. And this one is, of course, that's 1/6. So if you took a section here, let's say that's a section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we have this henna tattoo mandala, and that has 8 sections. How can creating a mandala help me learn about balance and symmetry? We have symmetrical balance. There's 3 types of balance. There's asymmetrical, symmetrical, and radial. Symmetrical balance, and we're just going to learn about two of those types of balance today. We're going to learn symmetrical balance is basically you have a line of symmetry, like on this butterfly, and on each side of the line of symmetry, it's exact same shapes and colors. Radial balance is when there's a central point and lines and shapes radiate from that central point. That's why it's called radial balance, because these lines are radiating from the middle point. And what we are going to do is make a found object mandala. I made these just today. I went outside and picked some leaves off the bush outside of my house, and I found some toothpicks in my drawer. So I used leaves. This was 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I have 4 pieces leaves in the center. So this kind of this mandala is a fourth. Okay, if you could see that, this section right here, 2, 3, and 4. And this mandala is, let's count how many sections there are. Let's just start counting with the band-aid shapes, the rectangle shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so if I were to cut this into pieces, there'd be 7. 1/7 right here would be 1/7. All you need to make, all you need is 3 sets of 6 or 8 objects. In my mandalas, I used objects I found around my house. Go outside in nature and look for leaves, rocks, flowers, and sticks. Inside your house, you can find toothpicks, cotton balls, coins, or food like dried beans. You can watch a video of me creating a found object mandala here if you follow that link. And of course, as always, Miss Smith wants you to be creative. Okay? There's not a right or wrong way, except it has to have that center point, and it has to have some symmetry and some balance. So repeat some shapes and forms and colors, guys, and you'll do fine. You can send me a picture of your creation to your class team's notebook, to Class Dojo, or you can email me a picture of your found object mandala. I look forward to seeing your creations, my lovely artists. So until next time, enjoy your day and please be creative.